I don't know if it was necessarily an aha moment, but I think the one thing that I would take away that I didn't necessarily expect to learn today is that I think there's a variety of different stakeholders that are involved in this process, and each one of them brings a different perspective and a different set of actions that they can engage on moving forward. So I think I'm more cognizant of that, and I don't think that there's any one way to move forward, but a multiple variety of approaches that need to be taken, with NGOs perhaps taking one role and government providing another role and academia in another space. And I think that each of those sectors or actors need to move in their own direction, coming together in a collaborative process moving forward. So engaging in these sorts of discussions more frequently, and then partaking in actions from those discussions in both a collaborative way and in an individual aspect. I think the discussion needs to continue moving forward. I think one of the things that I really picked up today is that everybody is coming from a different perspective to begin with, and where I'm coming from is very clearly not where some of the other people at the table are coming from. So I think we need to continue to have a discussion to define the terms that we're discussing, very basic terms such as global health, who should be involved in those discussions and to what extent, who needs to be playing leadership roles, and are there different places for different people to play leadership roles. Focusing more on this type of research can be one way that the academic community and the researchers can contribute. So that's something that I hope to focus on more. I'm more cognizant of it now after today's discussions, and really focusing on the evidence that was in the issue brief. And I think that to continue to engage particularly with the government sector, which I think will probably be one of the most complex sides of the debate.